was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly. Made something.
Good morning. Good morning. Y'all see him back there, man. Y'all see him back there. Put my stuff in my last two things that I need for the road trip. Put that all up there. What else? Put my boots up there. Oh man, crunk the truck up, man. Big dog. What it do, man? Gotta add a trailer up. Not the trailer, the airbags on the truck. Got a little squat on it. Got a little squat on it. You know, I got I think I got the 2.5 inch lift on the front. 2 inch lift, 2.5 inch lift. So you got a squat on it. So y'all see how it look now. Finna put me about 45 pounds of pressure in there. See where it sit me. It usually sit me in the right spot when I put me about 45 in there. We finna see. Old trusted Milwaukee air pump. You ain't got you one of these, you better get you one, man. They come in handy. They do come in handy, man. I don't know if y'all can see it. You just set your pressure. So you got 6 pounds in it already. It'll tell you at the bottom how many pounds is in the whatever, you know, tire, airbags, whatever you got the air pump hooked up to. So at the top you set what you want it to be at. So I'm gonna put it on 45 and see where we go from there. Don't take long. It don't take long at all. See it going up. Going on up a little bit. Oh, it's probably taking a little longer because that truck on there. I got that whole truck and trailer on there, but it is going up though. So that's 45. Man, let me try 50. Put about 50 in there. Put 5 more in that thing. All right. Let me see here. It went up. I usually roll with about 45 in there. Don't tell me this truck heavier than that car. I don't know. Do 55 and I'm gonna roll with it. But it goes all the way up. You can put 80, 90 pounds in there if you want to. Yeah, we're gonna roll with 55. Roll with 55, man. And I'll check it once we get down to the gas station. Once we get to the gas station, then see how it's sitting when we get down there. Yep. Gonna go in the house, jump in the shower, man, and get my man, I do. I'ma grab my bag, get my drone. I gotta remember my drone too. I'm gonna take my drone this time. So y'all keep it locked, man. Big Mike will be over here in a little bit. He rolling with me. All right. 78 Chevy boy, man. We out here. About to go ahead and pull out, man. Go meet everybody down here at the gas station. Y'all already know Big Zoo's ready, man. Big Mike up in that thing. Man, messing around. Me and Big Mike twinning today, man. I'm gonna have to show you. But yeah. The Cayenne on the back, man. Big Zoo's ready to pull. I need to wash my trailer, man. It sit down there. It sit on bricks. My tires do, but it sit down in the mud, though. You know what I'm saying? Down there when it rains and stuff, it splash up on it. Need to wash it. But yeah. These some old shirts, man. Mike said we got these shirts back in 17, 18 sometime before the pandemic. But yeah. They gonna be on us, man, because this wasn't by plan. It's just a coincidence. See there? Y'all see Big Mike, man. We twinning today, man. They get it. Oh, and I got my Crocs on. My daughter bought them. Let me show y'all. My daughter bought me these. Y'all remember from the video? First time wearing them, man. We're gonna wear them out there at the car show. Yes, sir. All right. Y'all see it, man. Got the homie Tony with us, man. With the Mazda B2 2000. I mean 2200, man. Y'all see what he call it, man? Lunch money. Lunch money, man. Man, we connect. We don't compete. We come all different ways, baby. We come all different ways on you. Lunch money, baby. Quit playing with them. Quit playing with them, dog. That blue hidden. Guess who painted it? Guess who painted it? Who painted that thing, Tony?
Kandyworld Kustoms.
Who? Hold on. That truck loud. We finna tell y'all who painted that thing, boy. Kandyworld Kustoms, baby.
Jackson, Tennessee.
Y'all hear him, man. Jackson, Tennessee sprayed that thing. And y'all know that's who painted Big Cayenne too, man. Yes, sir. We finna connect, go down here, man, and have a good time. That's what we finna do. You already know it. Waiting on a couple more of the homies pull up. And we finna roll. I see little bro Mo done pulled up. He done pulled up, him and Jerome, ready to roll. Yes, sir. He bringing the golf cart. Got the golf cart on that thing, man. Told y'all we finna go down here and kick it. Y'all they better be glad we couldn't bring no grill, boy. Man.
We were plotting. We were plotting. I had a grill, a flat top, everything.
Yes, sir. Well, yeah, we finna still go down here and have a good time, man. We probably hit Walmart or something, get us some drinks, snacks, and stuff to take out there with us. I know we did last year, boy. We eating on oatmeal cakes, moon pies, and everything last year, boy.
I brought my cooler too.
Yeah, that's why I told ready to tell you. I got my little one on back of the truck, so about some turkey meat, bread. Cause the line was so long for the truck last year. I didn't eat all I ate was the snacks.
I know from the video it looked like it was like one maybe two vendors.
Yeah, I think it was 2 food trucks.
Yeah.
Yep.
This is a bologna sandwich, I promise.
Yeah, I'm for real. I'm getting some turkey meat and bread and shit.
I ain't get a good bologna sandwich with me anyway.
Slab, man. We on the slab. Oh, there you go, right there. See my bro.
Man, 2500. Pulling, boy.
Here.
That motherfucker. God damn.
Continue on I-22 East Alabama State Line.
y'all see it, man. About to pull in the buckets. I told y'all that's my halfway point, man. That's where I'm stopping at from now on when I go to, whenever I'm coming up through here. We're gonna stop at Buggies, man. Every time. Yeah, get your ass over. See what we trying to get on. Yes, sir. Got his own little community over here, man. So, we finna pull over here. We'll get with y'all in a minute. Gas up. Go drain the main vein. And get back on the road, man. Alright. He out here, he the parking lot monitor for Boogies, man. Hey, I gotta get it, man. I ain't like y'all. Y'all can go to Atlanta and back. Man. Man. It probably didn't hold number what?
I got to get it in down here.
Huh?
I got to get it in down.
It probably didn't hold, but that's what I see.
Well, you said he got damn feeling.
No, they're gonna be expecting me to move, huh?
Look at them folks on the line.
Fucking crunk here. Mississippi/Memphis.
Yeah, you got a burgundy box Chevy.
Yeah, 78 Chevy.
What I seen it on your shirt, you used to fuck with my homeboy, Beater Boy. B-U-G-T-V.
Oh, Bug. Yeah, that's my guy, man.
Yeah, when I seen that 78 Chevy, boy, I recognize you got the burgundy thing.
Yeah, we head down to Atlanta for a car show now.
I just left Atlanta, getting some clothes from my clothing store. And taking my little son and my nephew out there just to fuck all this stuff by I'm out there every couple weeks.
Really? You still in Mississippi? Yup. Still in Grenada? Okay, cool. Yeah, you know, I'm from other side of Greenwood.
Okay.
Kruger.
Okay.
Yeah, that's where I'm from.
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah.
I got I actually got 3 of them, but I got one I'm working on putting together now. I had box Chevy since ever since we was in high school.
For real?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up?
You on social media still and shit?
Yeah. 78 Chevy, boy.
I'm gonna talk in. I'm gonna tap in with you.
YouTube and Instagram. I'm really active on Instagram.
Okay, say no more.
What's up?
What's my name? Dub. On Instagram, though, it's Rich Gang General.
Rich Gang General.
No,
okay.
Rich Gang.
Oh, Rich Gang General.
Yeah.
I got you.
Yeah, I'm gonna tap in with you.
All right, bro. Looking for you, Vic. Got a turkey milk, man. What you got, Joe?
Turkey.
Okay.
Really tasty.
What it do, man?
You gonna take it with the camera?
Y'all see we got Boogie. We got Boogie over here, man. Come check out Cayenne. Y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Get this picture with push it right quick. What it do, Buck? You all right, bro? Yeah, man. Connect and never compete. That's the motto, but. Yeah. I got it, man. I appreciate that, bud. Appreciate that. Y'all see it, man. Tony girls getting the picture. You got it, Tony? All right. Appreciate y'all.
Thank you.
Yeah. We got to get on back to the sidewalk. Appreciate y'all. Yeah, man. We on I-75. About 20 minutes from the crib. Had to get through all that traffic, boy. You know, it's rush hour. And boy, they got it jammed up to certain spots. But we staying in the same exact house we had last year. I think I gave y'all a tour when we was done, when we was getting ready to leave last year. I'm gonna give y'all one as soon as we get here. But we gotta unload the trucks and stuff, put these trailers up real quick, and we don't want no complaints, man. The owner told me they got a strict HOA, homeowners association, so we don't want them to fall back on them or have no complaints on us. It's a nice house, and anytime we come down, I wouldn't mind staying here. So I probably ain't gonna show none of the unloading the trucks and nothing, man. Try to go ahead and get it taken care of. So y'all keep it locked, man. We 20 minutes out. We'll be there. Alright. Yeah, she said
Damn niggas out here, them dunk rims.
See, you weren't here last year. But I hurried up and put my trailer up last year. I wasn't even out here this long. I put my trailer up, put my car up. Yeah. She told me. Yeah, we had long, boy, better not.
Why you want to drive? But you gonna be on the dashboard.
Shit, who gonna be in the back? The motherfucker in the back is what's gonna feel it. Behind him.
I was gonna trade places with him over there, and I wasn't gonna even be in the
Oh, okay.
You didn't really get the whole crowd dump it out.
Damn.
I didn't get it, man. Hey, man, what wrong with you?
Man, I don't know what his shit set on, bro. Huh?
You remember the Walmart right by the place had a Home Depot bag.
Yeah, this definitely not it.
I said you could tell this nigga don't go nowhere. His GPS ain't even
All of them go together, man.
Yeah,
It's all connected.
But we going to groceries.
Grocery right there.
We going to groceries though.
It's all
Yeah, get some
connected.
there.
No, listen, when they started doing that, he said all of them connected.
This is Walmart.
I just said it's all connected. You ain't going one end, you can go to the other end. You know what I mean?
Yeah, like you ain't know.
Maybe you want to be close to the grocery, don't want to go to the grocery.
I want to be all over.
My seven, I'm keeping it